Hello, and welcome to this talking script about 5 beast healthy tips for baby foods. As a parent, it's important to introduce healthy and nutritious foods to your baby as soon as possible. Here's a list of 5 healthy tips for baby foods. Tip 1. Choose whole foods first. Whole foods are the foundation of a healthy diet. Start by introducing simple whole foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, and applesauce. These foods are easy to chew and won't cause digestive discomfort. Tip 2. Stick to plain, simple recipes. Avoid adding too many spices, sweeteners, or artificial ingredients to baby food. Simple recipes are easier to digest and won't cause any adverse reactions. Tip 3. Use a variety of textures. Introduce baby to a variety of textures by using pured, mashed, and softened foods. This will help your baby's teeth and gums develop and improve their oral health. Tip 4. Stick to age-appropriate foods. Each age group has specific recommended foods. Make sure to check the age guide and introduce foods that are appropriate for your baby's age. Tip 5. Consult with your pediatrician. Before introducing any new food, consult with your pediatrician. They can provide guidance on which foods are safe and healthy for your baby's age and development. In conclusion, introducing healthy and nutritious baby foods is an important step towards building a strong foundation for your baby's health. By following these 5 healthy tips, you can ensure that your baby is getting the nutrients they need to grow and thrive. Thank you for watching.